G'day guys, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this very quick video demonstration of a product I purchased not long ago. They call it a zero clearance tape. It's from Fastcap, the company, and I'll leave a product description and a link down below if you're interested in getting it. It's really good. Obviously there's gaps in all the soils we have. If this is the first time to Sumo's Projects, go ahead, subscribe. Hit the like button, the notification bell and all the good things, and let me show you how this all goes together. Pretty simple. First things to do is have a bit of a clean up. I'm using mineral terps and this rag, and that will take any of the residue from any other tape I've had on here previously. So the next step is to lay it down and align it as accurately as you can, and then just push it downwards. So just make sure you get a nice and clean surface there for the best type of adhesion. It's not actually a tape, it's more of a plasticky type product. Can't describe it the best way, but I think it's something it's got a bit of flexibility, but it's rigid in the same breath. So let's go ahead, take our first cut, and then I'll show you how it works afterwards without having any tear out in your cuts. The next step here is to bring your Mitre Saw down and take a gentle cut to open up the gap. Now I'm just taking a cut on 4 different types of timber to see how the end result ends up here, and by the looks of it, everything is looking very promising. So the next step is to bring up your table saw blade up to the full height. Cut out the tape on the Mitre Saw and then bring it over to the table saw, and this will allow the riving knife to also fit within the cutout. Trim off and you're just about ready to go. Just make sure that everything is a little bit underneath the surface of the cast iron, otherwise you'll peel off the tape with your first cut. So bring your blade back down and you're ready to go. Same 4 bits of timber I'm running through, and as you can see here, nothing will fall through the gap now. To buy an insert, I think they're about $100, or you can make your own out of timber, depending on what sort of saw you have. But for the sake of a couple of dollars, I think this is quite an easy, quick option to consider as well. So there you go guys, tested it out on 4 different products. Melamine, Australian hardwood, this is very dense, 12mm plywood, and also a generic bit of pine. It seems to have very little tear out on anything. This is pretty clever. It's something I'm going to stick with, and I hope you get something out of it if you do want to go and purchase it. So thanks for watching. Until the next time. This is Sumo saying hooroo.